And if I took a loss, I'm a boss in my hood. Oh. I'm sounding like I'm Ross in the hood. Double cross me, I leave you on the cross in the hood. I'm good, I got new money. What's good, my peoples? We back finally. It's been a minute, took a couple days off, but we got here the cough drop foamposites. I got these maybe 2 weeks ago, but I've been fronting on making a review. Here goes size 10.5. Let's get into it. These came straight from Nike. Nothing is selling out nowadays unless it's a collab. So a lot of people be on that wave, like they only rock stuff that's unattainable. They only want stuff that they can't get. You want what you can't have, right? That's really what it boils down to. But these right here is a classic from back in the day. I had the ones with the solid red bottom before, and I had these right here with the clear bottom, like, you know, translucent red. And for back in the day, I called the other ones cough drops too, the one with the solid red bottom. Don't know if it was a difference. I'm not heavy in the game like I am David with the foamposites, heavy, but I always love the foamposites, right? The shape, the durability of them, they just don't get messed up for real. It's very hard to scuff this shoe, and they look great, you know what I mean? But nowadays, I guess, not so much for my personal style to be rocking foams all the time. Sure, I like them better with shorts, I think, in my humble opinion. Let me know yours. If you like them better with jeans or shorts, play ball with them. But let me give y'all 360. Carbon fiber on here. Looking right. Got the outsole. And the foam. Looking good with the half cent on the heel. Black and red. Can't go wrong. On the insole, you got a red Nike swoosh back there. Bow. Nah, these look good. They feel good. They look good, in my humble opinion. They might not be made exactly the same as when they first came out back in, like, what was it, 99, 98 or something like that. Can't remember. But they still look good. Still got a nice shape to them. They still look good, in my humble opinion. What the price was? Can't remember the price. I think it was like $230 or something like that after taxes. Don't quote me. But not too bad, not too bad. Let me know what y'all think about these. I'll give these, you know, for what they are, give them like a 9 out of 10, man. You know, 9 out of 10, not bad. But I really want the gym green joints. Really looking forward to those. These, I could have done without them, but the gym green, I need those in the collection. All right, but that's all I got for y'all today, man. I hope you enjoyed this quick review. Nothing crazy. Stay tuned for the on foot at the end of the video. You already know the vibes, man. I love y'all. Thanks for rocking with your boy. You feel me? The love is real. You know I love y'all back, man. At the end of the day, rock what you like, not cause it's hype. Stand out and never blend in. Holla at me till next time, you heard? 100.
Did you get ready to try something? Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish you knew.